Learn English with your Instill.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English stories. Fluency in English is something many people want. I remember when I was a young student like you. I wanted to speak English well. I wanted to be fluent, but I was shy and made many mistakes. One day, a teacher said to me, "You can be fluent if you practice every day." This sentence changed my life. When you want something, you must work for it. Fluency does not come in one day. Today you will learn through a story how you can prove yourself that you can also learn English. Title: Proving Yourself Through Learning English. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled by a wide river, there lived a young boy named Raj. Raj was 16 years old and came from a humble family. His parents were farmers, and though they worked hard every day, they could not afford to send Raj to a private school. Raj attended the local public school, where he was taught in his native language. But he always felt something was missing. Raj had big dreams. He wanted to travel the world, explore new cultures, and maybe even become a teacher. However, there was one problem. He was not very good at English. In his town, people mostly spoke their native language, and few people used English. While Raj was great at math and science, English was a subject he struggled with. One afternoon, as Raj was walking home from school, he overheard a conversation between two strangers who were visiting his town. They were speaking in English. Raj could not understand most of what they were saying, but he could catch a few words. The way the words flowed sounded so beautiful, and the people seemed confident and sophisticated as they spoke. Raj realized that if he wanted to achieve his dreams, he would need to learn English well. That night, Raj decided he would prove to himself that he could learn English, no matter how difficult it seemed. He told his parents about his decision, and although they did not fully understand, they supported him. They told him to work hard, as they always had, and that he could achieve anything with determination. The next day, Raj went to the local library. There were not many English books, but he found a few simple ones and borrowed them. He started reading them every evening after school, even though it was tough at first. Many words were unfamiliar, and he had to look up the meanings in a dictionary. But Raj didn't give up. He wrote down new words, practiced speaking them aloud, and soon started forming simple sentences. Raj also watched English movies with subtitles. At first, he could not follow the fast-paced dialogues, but he kept watching, learning a little more each day. He would repeat sentences and try to mimic the way the characters spoke. Over time, his confidence grew. He even started speaking to his classmates in English, though at first they laughed at him. But Raj didn't mind. He knew that making mistakes was part of the learning process. Months passed, and Raj's English improved. He could read books without needing a dictionary for every word. He could hold basic conversations with his friends in English. His teachers noticed the change in him and praised his hard work. The same classmates who once laughed at him now admired his determination. One day, Raj got a letter. It was from a scholarship organization offering him a chance to study in a foreign country. The scholarship required a good command of the English language. Raj had always dreamed of going abroad, but he had never imagined it would be possible. The letter told him that he had passed the language test with flying colors. Raj was overjoyed. He had proven to himself that no matter where he came from, no matter what challenges he faced, he could learn and grow. His hard work had paid off, and now he was one step closer to his dreams. Raj accepted the scholarship and soon boarded a plane to study in a country far away. Years later, Raj became an English teacher. He never forgot the struggle he faced when he first started learning the language. He always told his students, "If I can learn English, you can too." It's not about being perfect, it's about never giving up. You have to prove to yourself that you are capable of achieving your dreams. Raj had learned that learning English was not just about mastering a language. It was about proving to yourself that with effort and perseverance, anything is possible. And so, Raj's story spread far and wide, inspiring many others to start their journey of learning English, just as he had once done.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.